Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. See, diet is important for every patient along with treatment. Patient take medicine, but we have to consider the proper diet and regular intake of food, the quality of food, all these things we have to consider. Regarding TB patient, any tuberculosis patient, as soon as the diagnosis is made, patient's relative, patient's friends, doctors, nurses all start giving advice regarding food. That patient should take high protein diet, they should take meat, fish, egg and other protein diet. Today I will tell you whether the TB patient should take high protein diet or not, and what type of food patient should take, what are the things we should consider before advising a patient about diet. Let's start with this. The first most important information is tuberculosis is cured by medicine. It is not cured by diet. So patient has to take the medicine properly without any failure, and patient has to complete the course of treatment. Regarding diet, if the patient takes normal diet also, then also he will be cured. If the patient is a rich patient and he can afford high protein diet like meat, fish, eggs and other all high protein diet, if the patient can afford, then definitely he can take. If the patient cannot afford, he is a poor patient, then advising this type of food, it will be a burden to the patient and patient family member. So we should not tell the patient like you should take lots of protein food and all. We can ask the patient to take the medicine properly, and regularly he can continue the normal diet. Then also he will be cured. And if the patient can afford, then he can buy or he can have a high protein diet. So before advising a patient about diet, we have to consider the financial condition of the patient. The next thing is, if a patient is diagnosed as tuberculosis and patient is put on anti-tubercular treatment, those are antibiotics, then patient sometimes develop some side effects, sometimes some gastrointestinal symptoms like indigestion and dyspepsia and all. So in that condition, if we immediately start some high protein diet, then patient might not able to digest those foods. And I have seen patients who are put on high protein diet immediately after diagnosis along with medicine. They land up with diarrhea, indigestion, vomiting and all. So all these symptoms aggravates patient condition. I mean, patient become worse and they have to get admitted in hospital and treatment for diarrhea and vomiting and all these things goes on. So we have to think the patient, the digestive condition. If the patient is very lean and thin, if patient is not taking food for a long time, then in that condition we can ask the patient to take the medicine along with little food in frequent interval, and then we can add little more every other day. We can then try to add some proteins, but with caution, so that patient doesn't develop some side effects or vomiting and all these symptoms are because of indigestion. So medicine and high protein diet together can cause indigestion of the patient and it will worsen patient's condition. So friends, before advising diet to a TB patient, we have to consider financial condition, patient general condition, patient digestive system, and after considering all this, we can advise the patient about diet. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this.